In today's video, I will walk you through how to set notification alert in MetaTrader 5. To get started, open MetaTrader 5. After the platform opens, log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the main screen of the platform. The next step is to access the Alerts section. Go to the bottom menu and select Alerts. After opening the Alerts section, right-click anywhere inside the window and choose Create. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, you can also press the Insert key to open the alert editor. When the alert editor appears, you'll be able to configure your notification. At the top, you can choose whether the alert is enabled or disabled. Next, select the action you want the alert to perform. You can choose a sound file, an email, or a notification. After selecting the action, choose the symbol that you want the notification to monitor. Make sure you select the correct trading symbol before continuing. You'll also see the source section. Here, you can edit the source by selecting one of the available options shown in the editor. Continue by setting the timeout if you want to use one. Then, choose the maximum iterations for the alert. If you want the alert to stop working after a certain time, you can also set an expiration date. Next, move to the conditions section. Choose the condition that will trigger the alert. The available options include bid, ask, last, volume, and time. Select the one that matches the alert you want to create. If needed, enter a value for the volume field as well. Take a moment to review all of the settings you've entered. Make sure the alert is enabled if you want it to become active immediately. Confirm that you selected the correct action, symbol, source, timeout, maximum iterations, expiration date if you're using one, the trigger condition, and the volume value if you've entered one. Before saving the alert, you also have the option to test it. Click the Test button to check the alert. If everything looks correct, click OK to save it. After clicking OK, return to the Alerts section. You'll now see the alert you just created listed there. This confirms that the new notification alert has been added successfully. If you ever want to remove the alert, simply right-click on it and choose Delete. If you don't want to remove it completely but would rather stop it from working temporarily, right-click on the alert and choose Disable instead. You can return to the Alerts section at any time to review your existing alerts, create new ones, or edit the ones you've already added by opening the alert editor again and updating the settings you need. That's all there is to setting a notification alert in MetaTrader 5. Once you've created and saved the alert, it will appear in the Alerts section, where you can test it, disable it, or delete it whenever you need. Thank you for watching.